This story is called The Two Wolves, a Cherokee story. One evening, an elderly Cherokee, brave, told his grandson about a battle that goes on inside of people. He said, "My son, the battle is between two wolves inside of us all. One is evil. It is anger, envy, jealousy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self-pity, guilt, resentment, inferiority, lies, false pride, superiority, and ego. The other is good. It is joy, peace, love, hope, serenity, humility, kindness, benevolence, empathy, generosity, truth, compassion, and faith." The grandson thought about it for a minute and then asked his grandfather, "Which one wins?" The old Cherokee simply replied, "The one that you feed." I think that this story is an amazing exemplification of how we can either live in a fear-based life or we can live life in a way of love. And there are literally only, it's my pool filter, there are literally only two choices which you can make. And it all comes back down to being in love or being in fear. And in reality, the one that you choose to feed more, that wolf that you choose to feed more and give more attention to and give more energy to, the more you're going to get that back, and the more that wolf is going to help power you. It's like leaning into your angel rather than leaning into your inner devil. Learning to lean into the thing that is good for you, and maybe not the thing that feels so comfortable and the thing that feels like right now. But it's important to remember that happiness and positivity are a choice in your life. You can either choose to feed your fear wolf, pet wolf, choose to feed them political bullshit, fear of being different from other people, or fear of resentment and fear of loss and a fear of lacking of love and a lacking of everything. You can live in that fear-based world, or you can choose to feed the wolf, which creates love and which creates abundance. Like writing a letter to somebody that you care about, like listening to a podcast, which is beneficial for your soul, like reading a book, like doing some yoga. Doing things which feed your love wolf are eventually going to make that wolf stronger. And taking some of your energy from the other wolf that lives in fear, maybe will make that a little bit weaker. So it's interesting to think about this polarity of if you feed this positivity and this love and this truth, that life will bring back all of those things for you as well. But if you feed into the fear and you dwell in it and you sit there and you bask in it and you sit in the fear, life will continue to bring you more fear. So where your attention goes, your energy flows. So maybe it's time to focus on putting a little bit more of that energy into the love-based wolf Because at the end of the day, the only thing that matters is love. And the only thing that makes a human feel like a human is love. You are love. I am love. The trees are love. Everything is love. Always choose it. Never stop choosing it. Love you guys. Mwah.